What's up, guys? So we just had an awesome day snowshoeing up in the Uintas, one of my all-time favorite campsites. We're gonna do a little bit of grilling. So Nexgrill sent us the Fortress 2.0. We're gonna grill some burgers, some corn, some onion, and some mushrooms. The Fortress 2.0 is a 2-burner grill with a 13,500 BTU output. Since we fired this thing up about 5 minutes ago, it's already at 500 degrees. This thing is built super solid and it's compact enough that you can bring anywhere. We're about ready to start grilling.
We loaded the grill up with food for 3 people, but could have easily cooked for several more at the same time. Even if you had to make several batches, with how quickly and evenly this grill heats up, you could do it very efficiently. Damn, this looks good.
First impression of the Nexgrill Fortress 2, this grill gets hot really fast. It cooks food perfectly, evenly, and I'm excited to eat some food. It's getting cold out here, and it's chow time. Thanks for following along.
Well, that wraps up our review of the Nexgrill Fortress 2.0. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and for more information, follow the links in the description. Thanks for watching.